Kevin.
In case you think a cat's craziness has limit. As the
What are you two doing?
Human have those spots too, but well, it's funnier poking these guys. Orange cats have thousands ways to punish you. Lucky that he's
Daddy is going to go have lunch with his friend. You're going to have to stay here with Mommy.
In a world where water attacks first, one fluffy hero rises to...
I'm tripping, I'm sliding, I'm riding through the beat like...
Who needs toys when nature installed a spring? Who knew airport security could be so bouncy? The look of, I'm cute, now where are the treats?
West standoff vibes.
Owner of the year? Nah, looks like that.
You're so mean. Oh my gosh.
You think Apple cares enough?
Why play when you can stay with Mum?
It's Mama!
If you think your life's dull, get a Simba and everything will...
Good morning, everyone.
The choice is yours.
Huh?
I scratch your back. You scratch mine.
Mia, sit. Скажи а-а-а.
Очень не дашь погладить?
Ahí se metió todo, todo se metió. Mire.
肥用，只是为了鼻子这个安全的地方，就戴着眼镜一起跳下去。
Yeah.
Kirby, you chilling? Hey, chill, dog.
So Gremlin just woke up, heard me come in, and what is he waiting for?
Hey, have a good day.
ขึ้นมาไม่เกรงใจหลวงพี่หน้ารถเลย เฮ้ย เฮ้ยไม่นะ
Мася, садись, мышь. Видишь? На, иди. Все. Иди на.
What do you think about the political climate of the world?
Dee 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 dee. I think he really likes it.
Playing video games. I think that would be really cool.
Are you a good person to call for relationship advice, do you think?
You have no limbs. Look at this belly. It's so chunky. I'm so sorry.
Boy!
Hey, what you doing here, buddy? Your owner's probably looking for you. Whoa, 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 hands, hands, let me see your hands, stop resisting.
Someone explain to me why my cat's obsessed with my bras.
How's 2022? Oh, what? Oh, shit. Oh. Okay. Oh, okay.
Big bites! No! Big bites on the couch! That's not nice!
So, how's your day going? Okay. I mean, what are you gonna do today?
hey buddy, I can't let you outside because you'll invade Poland. So I really can't do that. You're gonna have to stay inside.
Alright, just gonna make my way down here and... Oh, god damn it. Okay.
No. They are my chicken nugget.
Right, guys? Hey.
And I turn around, I see this. Hella studious. Look at this studious house.
Get in your bed.
Scout! Why are you all wet?
Hi. What are you doing under there?
This one's fine. Like but I have a suspicion it might have been this golden retriever.
You fall asleep in the dinner tray.
What will it be, Mr. Bond?
Every day I wake up and I ask myself, how am I going to be the biggest pain in the ass that I can be?
Every night.
Ready? Ready? Go get it! What are you doing? It's out there! Go get it! Go get it! Go get it! No! Wrong stick! It's the wrong
What are you doing, buddy? Since when do you like being a cat?
Now. Yes, go take a shower. They stinging, Mika. Yes, no, you didn't. Go take a shower now. Go. Your feet sting. Go take a shower.
No, go lay down. Look what you did. Yeah.
Say, wee!
Master has given Dobby a sock. Master has presented Dobby with clothes. Dobby is free.
I love you.
Esse ou esse? Qual?
What are you doing? What? No.
No, I.
I'm just gonna scratch myself like I wasn't doing anything.
What's going on? Oh. Cooper! He's nice. Go away.
Coco, what did we say about plants?
Do any of your other cats enjoy a good workout on the treadmill?
Finally have a place to put all my cables. This is an issue. Move, Rocco. I got all the cables up here now. All organized. High and tight.
You don't kick egg rolls.
Mama told me not to, I did it anyway, misbehaving.
Push that. Push that.
Hey! Broccoli, apples, pears, bananas, carrots.
Can I say something to, you know?
Mom! Mom! Mom?
What is this?
Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Mechanic. Yeah, tell me what I'm doing wrong.
His greed sickens me.
There's nothing down in there. I checked. Megan.
I'm working. Nope, I'm working.
Look at Johnny, man. Right?
I have to scratch Frida. Birdie. Out on some popcorn. Yes. Get him out of there. Throw him. Go. No.
Hey.
Hello everyone. Thank you for being here today. I'm excited to share a heartwarming story with you titled, The Cozy Kingdom of Blankets. If you enjoy this video, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. Of course, if it's not your style, feel free to skip it, no hard feelings. Now, let's begin the story. The season had begun to change. The warm days of sunshine were slowly disappearing, replaced by chilly breezes that sneaked through the windows and made even humans pull their jackets tighter. My cat, however, had a completely different approach to this new season. While I might shiver a little when the wind blew too hard, my cat simply yawned, stretched out her furry paws, and gave me a look that clearly said, "Human, I demand warmth, and I demand it now." It wasn't that she didn't already have a soft bed. In fact, she had 3 beds around the house, one by the window, one by the sofa, and one on my own bed. But when the cold arrived, none of those options seemed good enough for her royal standards. She began pacing around like a tiny queen inspecting her palace, as if to say, "Where's my winter upgrade? Surely you don't expect me to nap in this basic bed when the temperature has dropped 2 degrees. That was the moment I realized my cat wasn't just any cat. She was a cat with taste. A cat who knew that comfort wasn't just a luxury, it was a necessity. And so, her wish became my mission. Inspired by her royal stare, I went to my closet and pulled out every warm blanket I could find. There were thick cotton ones, fluffy fleece ones, and even the old quilt my grandmother had given me years ago. Slowly, I began building what I called the Blanket Mountain Project. First came the foundation, a heavy blanket spread wide on the floor. Then a layer of soft quilts stacked gently on top. After that, I added fluffy throws that felt like hugging a cloud. By the time I was finished, the pile looked less like a cat bed and more like a 5-star luxury suite. Of course, my cat did not jump in immediately. No, that would have been far too easy. Instead, she circled the mountain like an explorer discovering a new continent. She sniffed every corner, pressed her paw carefully to test the softness, and even flicked her tail in judgment. I stood there, holding my breath, wondering if she would approve of my masterpiece. Finally, after what felt like a very dramatic pause, she climbed onto the top, curled into a perfect fluffy ball, and closed her eyes. The little purrs that followed were so loud, I was convinced the whole neighborhood could hear. She had officially crowned the mountain as her new throne. From that moment on, my living room became a cat palace. She would nap on her blanket kingdom for hours, sometimes stretching out like a tiny emperor ruling over her territory. I often caught her rolling around in delight, burying her face in the folds as if she were swimming in a sea of warmth. But the funniest part? She didn't want to share it with me. Whenever I dared to put my feet on the edge of the mountain, she gave me the most dramatic glare, as if I had just broken some ancient law. Apparently, the mountain belonged to her and her alone. Watching my cat enjoy her mountain of blankets taught me something important about life. She didn't overthink the cold weather or complain about the season changing. Instead, she simply found comfort in the small things and made the best of the moment. While humans often rush around worrying about deadlines, bills, and chores, my cat reminded me that sometimes true happiness comes from slowing down, finding warmth, and enjoying a peaceful nap. There was also something very funny about the way she had trained me without saying a single word. I had turned into her full-time servant, adjusting blankets, fluffing corners, and checking to make sure her throne stayed warm. It made me laugh, but it also made me realize that love often shows itself in simple, everyday actions. For me, folding blankets was just a task. For her, it was love in its warmest form. Now, whenever the wind blows outside and the temperature drops, I don't feel quite so gloomy. Instead, I look at my cat curled up in her cozy blanket mountain and think, maybe we humans should learn to do the same. We should create our own little blanket kingdoms, not just literally, but in the form of spaces, habits, and moments that give us comfort and joy. After all, if a small cat can teach us that happiness is just a warm nap away, then surely we too can find peace in life's simple comforts. In real life, the story of the cat and her blanket kingdom is more than just a funny tale about keeping a pet warm. It highlights the importance of creating comfort and peace in our own lives. Just like the cat, we often face changes we cannot control, such as the weather, stressful jobs, or unexpected challenges. Instead of resisting these shifts, we can adapt by building our own blankets, which might take the form of small daily rituals, a cozy corner in our home, or even regular moments of rest away from screens. In today's fast-paced world, many people push themselves to keep working, forgetting that true productivity often comes when the mind and body are well cared for. My cat reminded me that slowing down, enjoying warmth, and appreciating simple joys is not laziness. It is self-preservation. If we give ourselves permission to rest and create spaces that feel safe and nurturing, we will have more energy, clarity, and resilience to face challenges. So, the next time life feels cold or overwhelming, think of the cat on her mountain of blankets. Sometimes, the smartest thing to do is pause, get comfortable, and allow yourself the luxury of peace.